Hey, good Thursday evening, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. Next project. Brought this little beauty home from the auction Saturday. Needs some work. That's what we do. I already took the old tail lights off. We got to get these old lights off of here. It's a homemade trailer, so I'm going to have to get it weighed. But whoever built it, looks like they did a pretty decent job on it. So I think it was worth it. It's supposed to have tilt on it, and it looks like it does, but that is bound up, and hopefully I can get that tube loose. And I think it has electric brakes because it had that little breakaway switch on it. I got a little noise in the one bearing over there. I don't know if it's a bearing or if it's maybe the brake hanging up, but we're going to get started on this, finish getting all the lights off, and hopefully we end up with another trailer to put over in the stable over there. We'll talk to you later.